Hello, my name is Brennan, and I am the McGraw-Hill consultant for Moreno Valley College. The health science faculty and my team collaborated to come up with your course materials for the current semester for health science in HES1. Today I will be briefing you on Connect and SmartBook, where you will be going to access a portion of your assignments for the term. We'll talk about registration as well as some best practices for running Connect. We'll get into the specific resources that are available to you, in particular SmartBook. We'll talk about your purchasing options as well as technical support. For the smoothest experience in Connect, I recommend using one of these three major web browsers, Firefox or Chrome. If you have a PC at home, if you have a Mac, Safari works fine. Please note we ask that you refrain from using Internet Explorer when accessing Connect. Much like an application for your smartphone, Internet Explorer updates too quickly for McGraw-Hill, and so it can create for a bit of an unuser-friendly experience. We also ask that you regularly clear your web browsing history and your cookies on your internet browser. Like any other web-based application, Connect can get bogged down if there's too much space being taken up by your internet browser. Your required materials for this course are the book Connect Core Concepts in Health by Paul Insel, and that's the 14th edition. Please note your instructor has created a Moreno Valley College special edition of this text available to you in the campus bookstore. This version will include both the print text as well as the Connect access code. It is designed to be your one-stop shop. That will be the image that you see here on the right. Please note that the image on the left and the image on the right are in fact the very same text, just that the image on the right does contain that access code, and the image on the left here is what we call the national version of the text, where you can purchase in many places on the web, anywhere. However, you are not guaranteed to have a Connect access code, which will be required for this course. There are other ways to acquire just the code itself, which I will get into here in just a moment. Registration in Connect is pretty straightforward. You're just going to log into your Blackboard account and locate HES1 with your instructor. You'll locate the folder that will contain your Connect course assignments. Go ahead and click on that, and you will see a list of icons similar to these. Go ahead and click on any one of those icons for the purposes of registration, and you will be greeted with the same welcome screen for Connect. Go ahead and click Continue. Next, you will be prompted to enter an email address. We ask that you use your Moreno Valley College email when registering for Connect, so do so and please click Submit. Next, you will be asked to choose an option. I mentioned the bookstore earlier. The option on the left is if you acquired your materials in the bookstore, you already have your Connect access code, you go ahead and enter that access code here and click Submit. Off you go. Maybe you are on financial aid, maybe your work schedule is waiting to pan out and you're not sure if you're going to stick with the course. In the meantime, McGraw-Hill will provide you with 2 weeks of courtesy access to Connect, which will include both the e-text and all the assignments, and then at the end of those 2 weeks you need to upgrade or acquire a code. Your third option is to purchase the code outright directly from McGraw-Hill. It is $75. Just enter your credit card and click Buy Online and off you go. Everyone will create an account in Connect. First name, last name, security question, password, and you're all set. This is what the home screen in Connect looks like. Please note, for those that did acquire the Connect code directly from McGraw-Hill, you do get an option to purchase a print copy of the text. McGraw-Hill will mail a loose leaf version of the book directly to your home for $15. That's $15. There's no tax and there's no markup on that option. And please note that your course is paired with Blackboard, as mentioned earlier, so we do ask that you stay inside Blackboard to access all of your Connect assignments. Okay, SmartBook is a study tool McGraw-Hill designed. It was inspired by the same technology that you would find either on Amazon or Netflix, where you, the user, have a profile with the program. The way it works is SmartBook highlights what you need to read, study, and learn, and it ensures that every minute you spend with SmartBook is the most high-impact minute and returned to you as the most value-added minute possible, and it is powered by LearnSmart. So what does that entail? Well, as you read and as you study, SmartBook is going to be asking you questions centered on the learning objectives for that particular chapter. You'll note the question, you'll have an answer set. This one is multiple choice, some might be true or false, some might be fill in the blank. However, SmartBook is going to ask you to assign a cognitive value to that answer. This is not a quiz. This is not something you are being tested on. Rather, SmartBook is just trying to identify the parts in the reading or the lecture that did not stick with you. If you're anything like me, you read a page of a textbook, I get to the bottom of the page, I might have conveniently data dumped half, if not more, of what I just read. So now SmartBook is going to be recirculating these questions in slightly different variations, so when I see it again, this information is going to move from my short-term memory and into my long-term memory. In addition, SmartBook now has an embedded e-text. This is your textbook, folks. Some parts are highlighted in green, some parts in yellow. This passage is grayed out. Green means go. If a passage is highlighted in green, SmartBook is telling you have demonstrated an understanding of this concept. You are both confident in your answer, I know it, and you are correct. If something is highlighted in yellow, yellow means slow down. SmartBook is asking you to slow down, reread this passage, answer a few more questions so that we can build a greater foundation of this content. Passages that are highlighted, that are faded out as such, are anecdotal in nature. They are auxiliary. They have their value in the reading experience. They are not tied directly to a learning objective. We're getting a lot of great feedback with SmartBook, and we hope you guys enjoy the program. My final slide is on technical support. In the event you experience any issues with Connect or SmartBook, it's very important that your instructor is not tech support for any of this. Please give our customer care team a call at 800-331-5094. In the event they are not able to solve your problem on the spot, they will be issuing you a case number. It's very important that you write that case number down, as you will want to bring that to your instructor's attention so they will contact my team so we can assist you further. Thank you for your time, and best of luck in health science.